le tournament le iNedbank Cup le abaqeda kushaya manje beshaya ngo 4-1 abayona omafikizolo ya kulomculo lo abasemafikizolo iminyakanyaka beshaya insizwa labafana lapha yes because bayiwina 8 May 2021 bashaya iChippa leyale emalokhunjeni Eastern Cape bayishaya ngo 1-0 bayiphakamisa iNedbank Cup. But then after that June baba nama financial problems so istatus sabo saku PSL sagcina sesithengwa yini iMaromo Gallants in exchange for esports kwi NFD le manje sibizwa ngeMotsepo Championship. So bayazi ukudlala iNedbank Cup lamajita lawo because bayiwin. So then ke manje it's a different team because sebedlala ku ABC Motsepo i-third tier so baku third division so ku third division uyaphoqeleka ukuthi udlale ama players awu5 under 23 so kahle nje kafushane iPirates vidlala nama amateurs so but ke that is TTM Chakumba Cha Mativandila yase Limpopo. No they gave us a good game so ngicela ungene kwi match yanamhlanje.